Hey guys, I'm down here about a woodpecker. What they were, he got his nest. Excuse me. He tried to get in, but I was down here. I don't know if you can see. He's down there on top. There you go. You see right there? He tried to get in. He brought a food for the. You hear babies? He brought a food for the babies. I think they got their babies. I don't know if you can hear it. It's very low. There must be a young woodpecker. 'Cause I saw two go in and out. So there must be male and female. And I'm filming from a long way. I don't know if you can hear it, but I hear it. So that's why they go in and out, because they got their babies down there. But I'm gonna leave them alone, because he maybe don't want to come back if I down here. Try to lay down, take care of babies. I'm down here where we've been here a bird. Excuse me. Try not to make too much noise, because maybe the mama don't. I don't know if it's mama or daddy, but you see the bird right under the woodpecker. And the babies, I can hear them. Right there. Right there is the hole where they got their babies. I don't know if you can hear it. But there was a mama watching me here. I can see from here that she got something in her mouth, but don't know that I can show you with a camera. It's too far away from me. Let's see if I can see more good. I lost it. She must see the dogs. Oh, I see. I see his in here. Right here. Is he? That's very close to me. I just have to sit still down here. You can see she got a worms under her mouth. See? There she goes. You can see she got worms on her mouth. You see right there. Can you hear the babies? You got to be very quiet down here. There she comes out. Come on. I gotta go get another load of worms. That's the other one. See, I guess that's mom and daddy. Yeah, they get more loud. My back is tired down here because I can't even move. I have to be sit down here and not move. All I do is move the camera a little bit. And this one, I don't know if you can hear. That's where the woodpeckers got their babies. I've been here every single time that I come and feed the dogs. Or I come on this side for any reason, I hear the baby birds. I don't know if you can hear it. I just say I can't get too close because them mama probably don't come back and take care of her. So I hope you can hear it. I can hear it in here, but I don't know if you can hear it. I got a little bit closer. I think I got a little bit louder so you might can hear it. Yeah, from a different angle. You really have to be still down here. Well, it takes a long time for you to catch woodpeckers. Come and feed them. But I think I got them in the video where they come up with a worm on their beak, worms on their beak. Okay guys, we coming down here on the other side of the garden, and I was waiting for the blue indigo to come down here. It do come, but you have to be sit still down here and don't move. The cardinal run the blue indigo away. But I'm gonna show you where the blue indigo have their babies. They always come into this little house down here. And I hear babies down here today. So if I get it close, you probably hear it too. That is their house. I know they're down here. I hear when he coming back in. Oh no. He's probably watching me coming too close to his nest. But that's where the blue indigo got their babies. Yeah, I put another birdhouse down there on the light pole. We have one blue indigo on this birdhouse, and down there by the garage and the other light pole we have another blue indigo that make a nest down there every year. I mean, probably not the same one, but we see the blue bird, so we know there was a blue indigo. But I'm not going to stand down here too long because I don't want to scare the blue indigo away. And if I touch it or I get too close, he might not coming back, checking their babies. And this one, I don't know if you can hear. That's where the woodpeckers got their babies. I've been here every single time that I come and feed the dogs, or I come on this side for any reason. I hear the baby birds. I don't know if you can hear it. I just say I can't get too close because them mama probably don't come back and take care of her. So I hope you can hear it. I can hear it in here, but I don't know if you can hear it. I got a little bit closer. I think it got a little bit louder. You might can hear it. Yeah, from a different angle. You really have to be still down here. Well, it takes a long time for you to catch a woodpecker. Come and feed them. But I think I got them in the video with the come with a worm on their beak, worms on their beak. Alright guys, we finally back down here inside the house to take a little break. We try to record on the video a different species of birds that we have down here. I know there's a lot of blue jays
and cardinals, male and female, yeah.
Dogs,
Mourning doves, yes,
finches,
yes. The beautiful yellow finch.
blue jays, blue indigo, one more. There's more that I
There's a
can't
cowbird
name.
out there.
There's more than I can name.
Yeah.
But we got a bunch of, and I believe that the reason they're coming down here a lot because
You put out wild bird food, and also you got food out for hummingbirds.
Yeah, and plus they're digging on the flower beds because we put cardboard.
And there's worms all over.
And cardboard, normally under a cardboard, there's a lot of worms.
Yeah.
I think I see on this video a woodpeckers bring the worms to the babies so they can eat. And I know I hear it, but I don't know if you can hear it on this video. But you probably could. It sounds a little bit loud when I'm sitting right there. My body was twisted because I had to stay like this for at least 15 minutes. Hold the camera.
Yeah.
Plus, sit still, don't move. Because these little pieces of the video is not something that we plan to do. Is that this happened when we are there feed the dog. And we want to have it on video so we can say we have this kind of birds at home, or coming to the house, or have a nest of this kind of birds. Because if I did say it, probably nobody else believe me.
Yeah. So you got a few pictures.
Yeah. There's still more down there that we can know, or I don't remember. Maybe when I see again, I can remember. Well guys, I hope you like watching our videos. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. We try to keep putting videos on. We really enjoy doing it. And
This is whatever happens in daily life.
And we know that it's gonna be hard to get to over 1,000 subscribers, but maybe one day. I'm not on 500 yet, but we're getting closer and closer, one at a time, and we will get there. And maybe one day when we go met the right person can helping us, or we do some kind of like collaborations.
I learned how to edit.
And learn a lot of things, because see, we started for these videos, these two, when I got out of the hospital, I think before we started before I got a stroke.
Yeah.
And we kind of slow, and we started back again. Then we slow again because I have a stroke. So all that time that we don't put a videos, people think maybe no, we don't want to do videos anymore. But yeah, we try our best to do at least 2 or 3 a week. Or because what we going through right now with my wife, first that was me, and now that was my wife.
We both had strokes.
And it's not something that you can recover real fast. It took me over 2 years to finally start to walk without a cane. And sometimes I still feel like I need a cane. But well, guys, we do have more projects, and we're gonna try recording the videos, and that way we might be encourage some other person one at a time, like somebody else encouraged me, because I learned something from other people. I'm not this made that is like and claim that was my idea, or I'm the one to sound that. No, sometimes we learn from other people, and the best thing to do is try. Like myself, I try. If I made a mistake and they don't work out, we take it apart and start all over again. Okay. Again, if you like our videos, please like, share, and subscribe. God bless every one of you guys. Keep us in your prayers. We keep you in our prayers as well. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.
Thank you for watching.